Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new client or customer on your Crunch account. On sidebar under Sales, you can go through section called Clients and click on New Client option there. Or if you are under Sales, in Dashboard section, you can add a new client by clicking on drop-down box and go to New Client. You will be presented with client or customer's card where you need to fill in the most basic information. All fields with a star means that they're mandatory. You need to definitely select, for example, currency and add payment terms, or fill in details like an address of this client. So I will add details with my happy company. We'll select pounds, but there is 4 other currencies for you to select. Payment terms, in my case, is 0 days, but 0 days means that they need to pay immediately. But if you are giving 7, 14, 30 days or maybe 2 months, this is where you can change your payment terms. Add an email address, so invoice can be sent when you will issue to this client directly. If you have different contact details presented with, like from finance department, sales manager, and etc., you will be able to add contact details here. Okay. If this business is VAT registered, add VAT registration number there. If you want to add any notes, you will be presented with a box to add information like "Thank you for your business." And also you can add your bank details. If you have added your bank, you can include bank account details here by selecting which bank details you want. For example, I will add my business bank account details, and this information will show up on invoice. Also, if you want late payment reminders, you can set up how many days after late payment reminders will be sent out, and you can select if they will be sent to you or to both to you and a client. Once you're happy with all filled in details, click Save Client. We'll go back to Clients and we can see Happy Limited been added there. So this is a way how you can add a new client or customer on Crunch accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I go through the whole process from setting up until the very last step of preparing self-assessment report.